Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Book. Today I am here with a continuation of passing package target 40 plus, which are the 100% sure question for board examination. These are the question from previous year's question papers. So here we are going to solve the question 7. Find a quadratic polynomial of the following whose sum and product are given. Whose sum and product of its zeros are here. Three questions I have taken. So first one is nothing but sum and the second one is product respectively. Okay, so first one question let us take, that is 1 by 3 comma minus 2. So sum is nothing but alpha plus beta, that value is 1 by 3, and product is nothing but alpha into beta, that is alpha beta, that is minus 2. To find the required quadratic polynomial, we know the formula, that is required quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta x into alpha beta. We should remember this standard form, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So when they have given sum and product and they have told us to find quadratic polynomial, at that time we have a standard formula this. And sometimes they ask us the question in such way, frame a quadratic polynomial whose sum and products are given. Okay, so this is the standard form. X square we will keep as it is, minus sign we will keep as it is, alpha plus beta value is 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta is 1 by 3, x as it is, plus alpha beta, alpha into beta is minus 2. Okay, let us solve this. X square, first I'll write the sign properly, x square minus 1 by 3 x plus minus minus 2. Now we can see it is in the fraction form, so to remove fraction we should multiply this 3 into this also and to this also. 3 into x square is 3x square minus x, because 3 we have multiplied here and here, because here already it is there, so we should not take again, so we have multiplied, so 3 2s are 6. This is our standard quadratic polynomial. Okay, so let us see the second question same way. Sum is, I'll write here, first one is sum nothing but alpha plus beta, first sum value is root 2, and product is alpha into beta is nothing but 1 by 4. Okay, let us solve now. Alpha into beta is 1 by 4. Required quadratic polynomial is standard form, x square minus alpha plus beta x in plus alpha beta. This is our standard form to find the quadratic polynomial. X square we will keep as it is, minus alpha plus beta value is root 2. Okay, root 2, x as it is, plus alpha beta is 1 by 4. Let us write in proper form. This 4 upon 1 by 4 is there. Now we should multiply here also and here also. Let us multiply. 4 into x, 4x square, minus 4 into root 2, 4 root 2x, plus 1. This is our standard form of quadratic polynomial. Okay, now let us find the third question here, 3 and minus 6. Sum, first one is sum, because they have told sum and product is given. Okay, sum alpha plus beta, sum of zeros is nothing but alpha plus beta, is equals to, they have given 3. Product of zeros is nothing but alpha into beta, it is given minus 6. Now required quadratic polynomial is alpha x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Now alpha is x square as it is, minus sign as it is, alpha plus beta is 3x plus alpha into beta is minus 6. Let us write in proper form, because here we don't have any fraction, so directly we can write x square minus 3x plus minus minus 6. This is our standard quadratic polynomial. So I have solved here 3 questions. So here in place of sum and product any number we can get. So this is the very important question for board examination. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.